What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where I talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my unboxing and review of the new Pharrell'S Inspiration Pack from Adidas. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so, because now that we've hit 100,000 subscribers, we're giving away a Supreme body bag courtesy of our sponsor Shoe Freak PH, as well as an Acer 23-inch monitor. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. The new Pharrell Inspiration Pack is the best drop that Pharrell has made for the year, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. Of course, that's very subjective. That's very personal depending on our individual tastes. For me, I love this particular pack because it is fresh, it is clean, it is not complicated, it is just something so easy to wear and can be potentially timeless. Now, I've owned several Pharrell NMDs through the past few months. I've owned, of course, my very first one was this particular pair. This is the Hu Holy Pack, I think, the one in black which says World Equality. Black pair over here with accents of purple and that full-length white boost. After that, I was able to pick up the Solar Pack. Two pairs actually, the one that said Inspire, Empower, and the other pair that said Motherland. I was even able to cop the NERD cream version that was exclusive in Japan, and also the BBC, which dropped here in the Philippines over at Commonwealth. For all of those pairs, the only ones left in my collection is this one. This again is the Hu Holy Pack. What happened? I sold the Solar Pack, both the Empower, Inspire, as well as the Motherland, because after buying them, I realized that they just weren't for me and the fit wasn't good. I bought true to size, and unfortunately, my wide feet was just exploding out of both sneakers. I had to let them go. I traded the NERD NMD for one of the off-whites that is in one of those shelves behind me, and the BBC I also traded for another sneaker. Now, which leads us to the question, why would you buy another one if the attrition rate for your Pharrell Williams sneakers are so high? Mainly because of all the packs, of all the NMDs, of all the shoes that Pharrell has shipped this year, this for me is really the best for 2018. It is just simple, subtle, straightforward, and again, easy to wear. I also love what the pack means and what it stands for, so that's why I ended up bringing this home. Before we unbox it, just a quick background. The Pharrell Inspiration Pack has 4 NMDs in 4 colorways. There's the black colorway, the clear sky colorway, a white colorway, as well as a dark blue colorway. All 4 colorways have an embroidered Chinese character on either shoe that says Empower and Inspire. All of them sell here in the Philippines for 13,000 pesos. Today, we are unboxing the black colorway of the NMD Pharrell Williams Inspire Pack. Let's go! As you guys can see, it comes in that typical Pharrell Williams clean white or off-white box with the U logo here in the middle. The rest of the information here at the side. As you guys can see, I actually got an entire size up. Not just half size, but an entire size up. Because I really feel that this shoe is not wide foot friendly. It is a great shoe, and if you have narrow feet, you're probably better off going true to size. But for me, I had to go a full size up because of my wide feet, and it actually was better. Now, inside the box, we have the actual shoe itself. This is the one in black. Now, I already wore this for the purposes of the review. The default laces that actually come or with the sneakers is this orange lace. So I actually already swapped it out for the white one, and I will be talking about the laces in a bit. Let's go over the sneaker. The upper is made primarily from prime knit material, and as you guys can see here, you have black on black embroidery of the Chinese character on either shoe. Now, for when it comes to the pop, it actually happens on several small elements of the shoe. You have that lace guard system that they have on either side, which is in some sort of light blue or teal colorway, which is also the TPU inserts that go across the white boost midsole. You also have, of course, that orange reddish outsole that is very track oriented because it is made for something that's not your typical pavement. And then you also have that tribal pattern that's here along the collar of the shoe. Lastly, you have the Adidas logo here at the back. I'm not sure if this is 3M, but it looks like it is, but I'll have to double check. and on the other shoe, it says the Pharrell'S brand. Inside the shoe, you have the familiar Pharrell'S human anatomy. Like, it's not really an insole, it's more of a design or a layer that's on top of the Boost. And speaking of Boost, you have the full Boost midsole here at the bottom. On feet, they're comfortable. There's no going around it, mainly because, again, of the Boost midsole as well as the Prime Knit upper. The combination of both gives you excellent cushioning, breathability, and flexibility when it comes to the 360-degree experience or feel of your foot. And that's the reason why I think Adidas has been so successful with their Ultra Boost line, their NMD line, and all of the other sneakers that they've been releasing in the past few months. But what I really love about this sneaker is how versatile it is with how you can use it, mainly because of the black upper. So as you guys can see here, I'm currently using the white laces. Now, the white laces is something that you use if you want something a little more clean when it comes to your style. But if you want maximum pop, all you have to do is to actually switch out the white laces for the default laces, which are the orange laces, and then you get maximum pop because that one really just stands out with the contrast of the black upper, Prime Knit upper, and the orange laces. It also matches, of course, that orange material that you see here for the outsole. So you can swap that out. So you have two looks already, one with white and then the other one with orange. But the one thing that not a lot of people actually do, which I'm kind of guilty of doing, and again, I'm not sure if this is the Tito in me, you can actually just wear this without laces. So you take out all the laces and you have like some cool of sock type shoe. Kind of versatility and flexibility gives it more points, in my opinion, when it comes to value for money. When it comes to sizing for me has always been difficult when it comes to the Pharrell NMD. And again, it's mainly because I have wide feet. If you have narrow feet, a lot of the YouTubers say that you guys should go true to size. I personally go either half a size up or a full size up depending on the shoe. Ever since I wore and bought at size 12 of this one, I've decided to never do that again because again, it just doesn't look good and it wasn't really super comfortable. So this one is a full size up, guys. And I actually have a little bit space at the top of my toe, but it's okay because it is meant to be comfortable. It's not meant to be like a performance sneaker. So yeah, to those with wide feet, try to get the fit on a half size, or if it's really bad, go for a full size for this one. Where to buy the sneaker? Now, here in the Philippines, it actually released over at the Adidas store at Up Town Mall BGC. And this is where I have to give credit where credit is due. Adidas, over that particular branch of Adidas, has been killing it when it comes to focusing on customers. Now, previously, they've been hit with a lot of complaints because the ones who end up copying the great sneakers, the hype sneakers like the Yeezys and the NMDs, like the Pharrell collabs, have always been resellers. They would usually pay like a bunch of people to line up, people who have no idea what the sneaker is for. They just want to get their hustle on and buy the sneakers and then resell them later at a much higher price to the people who would have been able to buy it for retail in the first place. Now, what Adidas implemented starting with the Yeezy 350 V2 Zebra restock is that they have a strict buy your size policy. So they actually measure your foot. And you can only buy the sneaker, I think maybe your exact size or maybe half a size up, or a full size, whatever is the most comfortable for you, you get to buy that particular sneaker. And they implemented the same style with the Pharrell'S NMD collab. So there wasn't any hassle at all in trying to cop this pair. That and maybe, you know, they just made a lot. So I literally just walked inside Adidas late in the afternoon, hours after it dropped and hours after it was announced. I just said my size and they said, yeah, we have it in your size. Just, yeah, we'll get it in the back. So I ended up copying it. No hassle, no stress, no lines, no resale, just real SRP with no frills. So yeah, thank you and awesome work Adidas Philippines over at the Uptown Mall BGC branch. You guys rocked and restored my faith in the sneaker game. So yeah, that's actually it for this review. I am thinking seriously of buying the other colorways because man, they just look so nice. When it comes to the Chinese characters, it actually says inspire and empower, which is something that I am all for. And that is one of the reasons why I love this pack as well. It doesn't, you know, spell it out, inspire and empower in Jeje language like what they did with the red and yellow pack of the Afro Solar or the Solar pack from the previous model. wherein they substituted letters with numbers. That for me was just really not so nice. This one, the Chinese characters, is very subtle, very not too loud. It's just there, and it's only you and the people who know about the shoe that actually knows the meaning, which for me is a little more deeper and better and nicer, you know. So I just love what it stands for, inspiring and empowering, which is something that I've been aiming to do, not just in the channel, but with the work that I do. But yeah, guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit like, hit share, follow me on IG, all of that good stuff, so you can be part of our giveaway for the Supreme body bag. I will be drawing the winner next Sunday for this one, as well as the Acer monitor. Speaking of giveaways, I'm in a bit of a conundrum or a problem. I am in the middle of going through all the entries for the 10,000 peso sneaker outlet giveaway. My problem, there are over 1,000 entries, and I have to watch and check every single thing because it's judging. It's not based randomly. Now, I promised I would try to be able to announce the winner today, November 11, but I don't think that's the case because I'm only at number 400 something of the entries. I still have more than 600 entries to go. So the plan is to be able to announce the winner of the sneaker shopping outlet trip sometime this week. Contact that person and hopefully be able to do the sneaker shopping next weekend already, so I can put it on film and have it up as a vlog come Sunday. So that's the plan. Let's try to go for that one. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Oh, and if you notice the new shelves here at the back, I will be vlogging about that in another episode when I do my updated room tour. So peace, God bless, have a great week ahead. Boom!